Hey
Hello.
everyone, today I have an amazing guy with me. His name is Duncan McNair. He's from States. So who are you and what is this organization all about?
Okay, Tanya. Well, I'm Duncan McNair. I'm the CEO and founder of Save the Asian Elephants, based in London, but with a net spread everywhere across the world. We are called STAY, and we stand for the protection and preservation of highly endangered Asian elephants everywhere, particularly trying to stop abusive elephant tourism across the world. And we have made big progress. We have, I'm happy to say, millions of followers across the world. And we are trying to get at the moment new law, first in the UK, then everywhere, to ban the advertising, promotion and sale of unethical elephant venues. We believe this is a law that should be adopted. It has massive public support in the UK, and it is good for any country. And we hand out the hand of friendship to anyone who wants to know more and who we can help.
So beautiful. You're welcome. So to you out there, go to the link right now so you get all information on how you get hooked up to this amazing interview where you get so much knowledge about what to be aware about, what you need to look at, and also so many other how you can be a beautiful transformation for the animals. So please go to the link and you will get the interview. So thank you so much.
Thank you. Thanks a lot, Tanya. Nice to talk to you. Hope to speak to you soon.
You too.
Bye.
Bye.
Bye.